Come with me, amazing family. Let's prepare some yummy meat pie, okay? Not that regular one you buy on the street. And I know you love what is. And go ahead and dice the carrots, okay? So I dice my carrots the way I want it, and I'll go ahead and check on the meat that's been cooking for a while. I season the meat with bouillon cube and thyme and onion. That's all. I'll dice the meat very well the way I want it. If you don't have a blender, go ahead and use mortar to pieces it very well. So I'll put it in my blender and blend it. I'll blend it until I achieve the texture I want. I don't want something smooth, I just want it rough, okay? And this is how I want it, okay? So once I'm done with it, I will heat up a little bit of oil and fry the meat. I'll fry it until it is a bit golden brown, okay? Not too golden brown like that, just small, okay? So I'll go ahead and fry my Irish potato. Not really frying, I'll just go ahead and cook it with small oil under it just to prevent it from burning, okay? So once I'm done with it, I will add my ginger and curry powder, okay? Then I'll add 1 bouillon cube and just a pinch of salt, and I added 1 scotch bonnet pepper. I'll go ahead and prepare my snorri. This snorri is for thickening purpose, okay? It will help the veggie, that's the carrot and the Irish potato, to come together, okay? It acts as a binder, okay? So once I'm done with this part, I'll go ahead and prepare my flour. I've already sieved my flour and I will add milk flavor. You see, this milk flavor is a taste enhancer. It's very, very good when preparing anything called pastry, okay? Then I'll add 2.5 ml of baking powder. You do not want to add too much baking powder to your meat pie. I know you want to make so much gain, or you want it to rise. You will end up having a whitish meat pie instead of that golden brown color, okay? That's a tip for you if you have watched to this point. So I'll go ahead and add my snorri, the snorri I've prepared earlier, into the veggie, okay? Then I mix it together, and once I'm done with it, I will introduce my already fried meat, okay? I will introduce it and stir together, okay? How are you doing, my amazing family? I hope you're fine. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you have not done that, this is an opportunity to do so. So I'll cover and go back and finish up with my dry ingredients, okay? So I'll mix it together to make sure that everything is combined, and I'll take this filling of the heat. Now add my margarine. I'll add it bit by bit and stir, okay? So once I stir, I will make sure that everything is properly combined. If you are getting it right, you should have this kind of sandy texture, okay? You should have this kind of sandy texture in your meat pie. Once you achieve this, just know that you're going to achieve a very good meat pie. And another thing is that once you mold it and you're able to get something like this, you know that you are good to go. If you have watched to this point, that's a tip for you. That I'll go ahead and add water. I'll add the water bit by bit to make sure that I don't have a dough that is running. You don't want your meat pie to be running. If not, your filling will be coming out from it, and that would not be a good one. And once you are done, you have a sticky dough like this. It will not stick to your hand, but something that combines and come together just like this, okay? Yes. So I'll go ahead and grease my pan to make sure that my dough do not stick to my pan. That's the essence of that greasing. Then I will flour the work surface. So once I flour the work surface, I will cut out the one I want to work with and flatten it, just like I'm doing in this video, okay? So once I'm done flattening it, I will go ahead and spread some flour over the meat pie cutter and place it on it, okay? Just like I'm doing here, okay? Once I place it on it, I will add small water, okay? I'll add small water. This water is to make sure that my filling does not stick to the meat pie, to the dough, okay? And it does not stick to the pan, to this cutter when bringing it out. That's another tip for you if you have watched to this extent, okay? So I'll go ahead and press it very well so I can achieve this shape very fine, very, very beautiful. Okay, I'll take it off and do it one more time so that you can get it properly, and I'll do the rest of the camera to make sure that this video is not too long. Have you liked this video yet? If you have not done so, please do well to like this video, give it a thumb up, and hype this video. Hyping this video will make sure that the platform will keep pushing it to new audience. Okay, thank you so much, and I do not take it for granted. Okay, you see it, I've repeated the second time. I'll go ahead and hurry up with the rest of it to avoid this video from getting too long. Okay, thank you so much, and I do not take it for granted. And hola, I'm done rolling. Okay, look at this beautiful, look at this babe. It's not yet cooked, right? But it's looking good already. So I'll break up one egg and make sure that I use it to grease the meat pie. The essence is to have a crispy meat pie just like this. And hola, our meat pie is ready. Okay, just look at how it is. Crispy on the outside and very yummy. Okay, if you want some meat pie, type meat pie and I will send some to your location. See, if you're a stay-at-home mom, you can actually start business from this video. Okay, and if you want to know the total production amount, just type meat pie or send me a DM. I will give you a total breakdown on how you can actually start and make money. You can sell this one for 8,500 naira because this is the big cutter. If you're using the medium cutter, you can sell it for 1,000 naira and you'll be making your money from there. See you in our next video, and bye.